Hello, my name is Sita Thompson and I am the founder of Sita Couture. Right now I am going to show you my Celeste Infinity scarf. It's my one creation that can be worn in many ways, thus infinity, infinite ways to express yourself as a hoodie, a scarf, and a mask. So we're going to start by showing you how to wear it. You start with the seam. There's a little tag here, that's your seam. You're going to put this over your head. You're going to go down about 12 inches. This is when you have to go into a store and need a mask, okay? Right just on its own. Super cute little scarf for your day at the office, day at home, just looking cute. But now you got to go into the store. So we're going to give you a little makeshift mask. Little elastic going over your right ear. Go down about 12 inches to the other one. Here you go. My braid is in there. Now you want to wear it as a scarf. You're going to go to the opening. Just going to put it over your head. Just like that. Now you have an infinity scarf. Okay? Now you want to wear it as a hoodie, which looks really cute, like under your little leather jacket, your little bomber, whatever. Cute little infinity scarf. Now we're going to put the hood up. Here you go. Voila! So this is the Celeste Infinity scarf. It's made in LA, 100% made of beechwood modal, and it's also unisex and machine washable. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.